How to check your login activity on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to check your login activity on Snapchat. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon which can be seen in the top left corner of the screen. And now from here, just tap on the gear icon which can be seen in the top right corner of the screen. And now from here, you simply have to scroll down and tap on two-factor authentication. And now here, make sure that it's enabled, and this will add extra security to your account. And after that, simply tap on Forget Devices, and here you'll now see a list of all devices that have logged into your Snapchat account. So here, take a moment to review them carefully, and if you see any device you don't recognize, just tap on the X icon next to it and confirm by tapping on X, and after that they will be removed from your account. And that's it. That's how you can check your Snapchat login activity. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.